Hello, my name is Chris Palmer. So I want to share with you a quick tip for getting more views on YouTube. So just briefly here, I want to show you that Discovery Digital Network found a significant increase in views attributable to captioning, as well as proof that captions improve SEO. In the first 14 days after adding closed captions, they documented a 13.48 increase in views just by captioning the video. So over the course of time, you will receive more views. So I just want to show you a quick tip that I stumbled upon for video SEO. So if you go to a video, this is one of my videos that I just did. Go to edit video. You will be met with a selection. The quick selection is over here to the left. So details, analytics, editor, comments, and subtitles. So that's what we're looking for, subtitles. So watch this. So this video does not have closed captions. If we go over here to my videos, let's just go over here to YouTube. Here is the video. As you can see, videos that are closed captioned will have this CC here. So as you can see, there's no CC. Now, let me show you this very fast way to implement closed captions, and you can get a bump in your views over the course of time on YouTube. We will click on Publisher Automatic, not the three dots. And then what will be brought up is the automatic results. So here's what I have found. I want to go ahead and share this with you briefly. So what we will do is we're going to click on edit. All right, so we'll click on edit. So what I like to do is I like to turn this speed up just because I like to implement this as fast as possible. Here's the quick way. This is what I like to do. I like to just briefly look for any misspellings, which there generally aren't, but I also like to say going, I like to say gonna, or, quick abbreviations or slang I like to take out, and then I look for any type of profanity that may be in there that maybe I was misinterpreted. So what I do to do this is I do Control F, and then I just look for profanities, run-on sentences, say that's a bunch, it just is jumbled up, and then I'm looking for misspellings. I'm not adding punctuation or anything like that because the idea is I want to get the closed captions in there fast, easy, and quick. All right, so as you can see, I'm not seeing any big changes that need to be made here. I'm just doing a quick scan. So after we're done with our video SEO here, we're going to go to Publish Edits. So once the edits are published, sometimes what you'll see here is it's like a little wheel, and you want to go ahead and refresh. All right, and then here's what we need to do. What we need to do now is go return back. We'll go to our videos. And now that we're back on this page, we're going to refresh it. And then as you can see, now there is published by creator. So in order to add custom closed captions, all we need to do is we already have what they did. We made some quick and brief edits to make it just a little bit better. Now what we will do is we're going to erase and delete the automatic captions. So now we will delete them. And now we only have a custom closed caption, which only took us moments to create and fix and edit. We just looked for really bad, anything that was just standing out that was really bad that we could quickly fix, we did, just to make a better closed caption so we could get more views, so we can appease the algorithm. All right, so now that this is done, all I will do is I'm going to head back over here. I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure that everything is solidified, make sure that everything is on point. So we see that there's only the one that's publisher. We're going to head back over here. Here is that video that we just did for this example. I will refresh the page. And now, as you can see here, the closed captions have shown up for a 7% overall boost in views on YouTube by performing just some small video SEO. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions regarding video SEO, how to get more views on YouTube, YouTube SEO, just SEO, content marketing, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, I mean, really, anything at all, Always feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video SEO, how to get more views on YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.
Perfect.